Welcome back. My name is Sohail Khan and I'm a Cisco certified trainer. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to. This is lecture number 7. Okay, full in-depth knowledge. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to configure EIGRP routing protocol, how to check which protocol is running on your router, that is EIGRP, how to check it, how to remove EIGRP routing protocol from your router. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you each and everything in very in depth, so don't forget till the end. Okay, so now let's start the practical. See, so here I want to configure the EIGRP on my router. All right, so now how to do this? Just go click on the router. Okay, this is the user mode. Just go to enable. In previous video I have shown you how to do this. Configure terminal. Okay, the command is router eigrp. Now after router eigrp you have to give autonomous system number. All right, so the which range from 1 to 60. Let me show you. See, this is the range of autonomous system number. So don't forget till the end because I'm giving you in-depth knowledge. Okay. So this is the range for start from 1 and 65,535, and I hope your tutor will teach you in theory. It is showing like teaching the by the tutor like what is an autonomous system number. Okay, and if not you can take online training from me as well. So router EIGRP and autonomous system number, let me take the one. Okay, and now you have to configure the directly connected network. See, this is the USA router, and on USA router two networks are directly connected, which is 10 and 40. So I will mention that hey EIGRP send update where this 10 network is connected, 10.0.0.0 network 40.0.0.0, and that's it, you have done. Okay, now I'll configure this UK router. See, like see, hey, so now someone said that hey, EIGRP is a classless routing protocol and I don't give subnet mask. It's okay. If you don't give subnet mask also, it's okay, no problem in EIGRP, because you can configure EIGRP class full, classless, with mask, subnet mask, no mask. See here I will show you. See, on this router I will give the subnet mask, okay, and in this router I will give the wildcard mask. Now what is wildcard mask? In theory lecture it is there. Okay, in my online training. So now I want to configure EIGRP on UK router. So I will go in configure mode, and I will tell router EIGRP. Now process ID 1. Why 1? Because EIGRP neighborship rule is two directly connected router must be in a same autonomous system number. All right. But if it is a different autonomous system number, then you can do the redistribution. That is another thing. But for time being, just understand that two directly connected EIGRP router must be in a same autonomous system number. That is why I'm keeping this one, and enter. Now I will tell hey router, send your routing table where this 20 network is connected, and this time I'm giving the subnet mask. All right. And secondly, I will say that hey router, send your routing table where the 50 network is connected, and send your entire routing table where this 40 network is connected. Now the router will create a neighborship with the US router. See, the neighborship message is coming. See here. Your neighbor is 40001 and new adjacency. All right. So it is showing that now the USA router is neighbor of UK router. All right, because on both the router EIGRP is now configured. Now on India router, two networks are directly connected, that is 50 and 30. Plus, I will show you here the wildcard mask way. With the help of wildcard mask also you can configure. See here how to do this. Okay, I will go to global config mode and router EIGRP process ID 1 because autonomous number 1, because autonomous number should be match. All right, and that I will tell that, hey router, send the update your entire routing table where this 30 network is connected, and this time I'm using wildcard mask, which is okay, it is /8. So the wildcard mask will be 0 dot 255 dot 255 dot 255. All right, in the same way, I will tell that, hey router, send your routing table where 50 network is connected. Now it will do the neighborship. See, it will create India router, create the neighborship with UK router, which is in between. All right. So this is how you configure the EIGRP. The point number 1 we have completed. How to configure the EIGRP. Now I will show you the one point is remaining, how to check the routing table and how to check which protocol is running. Okay, so now see how to check which protocol is running. So now I want to check whether on my router this EIGRP is running or not. Okay, so as I've already teach you that if you want to check anything, then Control Z is the key to go directly in privilege mode, and the command is show IP protocols. Show IP protocols. With the help of this command, you can check which protocol is running on your router. All right. Now, see, now it is showing that EIGRP is running on me and in autonomous number 1, and this is the K value which you have learned in the theory, and the hop count is 100, variance is 1, and it is routing for 10 and 40 network. Now EIGRP is having a 2AD value 90 and 170. All this thing I teach in theory, and if you're not my student, you can take online training from me. I teach worldwide. All right. With 100% expertization guaranteed. Okay. Now I will check the routing table as well. So yeah, you already know, right? Because show IP route. Yes, it is the command to check routing table. All right. See now, all the 5 routes are showing 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, because in our diagram total 5 network is the 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So it is showing all the 5 routes. Okay. So now what is this 90? 90 is the AD value I have shown you, right? 90. The route which is learned from EIGRP to EIGRP. In EIGRP, it is considered as internal route, and the route which is manually redistributed by administrator in EIGRP, it is considered as external route, and EIGRP don't trust the external route. That is why the AD value is 170. But in this case, AD value is 90 because all the routes are learned from EIGRP to EIGRP. All right. Now what is this? This is the metric of EIGRP, which is bandwidth plus delay into 256. Right. So this is why the metric is too long, because bandwidth plus delay multiply by 256. So that is why this metric is too high. All right. So this is how you will check the routing protocol, and this is how you will check the route with the help of show IP route. All right. Now I will check whether the connectivity is done or not. So how to check from first PC to last PC? Do the ping. So I will go to first PC, command prompt. If you don't know how to go to command prompt, then go to desktop and CMD. Now I will do the ping, which is ping 30.0.0.3, and yes, yeah, I'm getting the reply. It means everything's are connected properly and configuration is done. All right. Now the last part is how to remove this. How to remove EIGRP routing protocol. It is very simple. See, so just go to global configuration mode and write it down. No router EIGRP and process ID, which is 1. All right. So now it is removed. Now how to check whether it is removed or not? I have already shown you. Show IP protocols. Show IP and protocols. See, nothing is showing, it means it is removed. Okay. So in the same way, I will go to UK router and I'll go to global configuration mode and give command no router EIGRP and process ID is 1. In the same way, I will go to India router and I will tell that, hey India router, I want to remove this. So command is no router EIGRP1 and process ID which is 1. Alright, see here. Okay, 1. So this is how you are going to remove the EIGRP from your router. Okay. So this is all about the lecture number 7, in which you have learned how to configure EIGRP, how to check routing table, how to check which protocol is running, how to remove EIGRP. Okay, and how you feel about this new series of CCNA 200 301. You can comment down and don't forget to like and subscribe, and for online training you can contact me. This is my WhatsApp number detail, this is my email ID. I teach live online training with 100% expertization guaranteed. Okay, thanks for subscribing my channel and thanks for your love and support. Thank you.